Okay. Okay. Connected back. Okay. So we were talking about the current scenario wherein actually we can focus on this Maffeton method. So how to focus on that Maffeton method? For example, for example, in my building, I stay on 13th floor. Okay. Everybody getting my voice? Am I audible? Umaid,
Yes,
am I
yes,
audible? Okay.
yes.
So
Very audible.
for
Yes,
example,
yes, very audible.
if I'm staying on the 13th floor and there are 232 steps on there, okay, available with me. Okay, so what we can do, we can take up this method right now, and how can we take it this up is by changing our understanding. Okay. Okay, so like what we can do, like
No
we
more
can,
number of participants are joining.
sorry, yeah, how it will
More
add a
number of
little bit.
participants are joining, so they
Yeah, yeah.
might miss on your
That will,
initial.
yeah, that will they will automatically join. Okay, so should we wait or should we continue?
I
No,
think
as far
you're
as the
off
task is
camera. I am
concerned,
unable to see you.
Yeah,
as far as the task is concerned, let everybody join in. You
yeah,
can,
yeah.
in the
Okay,
meantime, carry on with some other question.
okay, fine. So
Praveen, meanwhile, I have a question.
yeah, tell me. Yeah,
Go ahead.
No,
yeah, yeah.
just, I mean, this breathing, this needs to be inhaling and exhaling, both needs to be done through nose or mouth?
Nose only. Yeah,
Nose only.
nose only,
Thank you.
correct. Yeah. So why nose? Because see the what is happening here. Let's discuss something about the nose breathing. Okay, nose breathing exercises. Okay, so why nose? Because nose is preserving our the hydration which is available in our body. Correct. So that is very as we discussed, like that is one of the resources which is available in our body. Correct. So in order to protect that, obviously we have to do that nose breathing, because when we do that mouth breathing, what is happening, our mouth becomes dry. Correct. And mouth becomes dry means what, we are losing this water content in our body. Correct. So how to uh, make me host, just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay, so how to avoid that, like how to engage that more of this nose breathing is actually, see, this we can take it up in many ways. First is like when we do pranayams, various kind of pranayams, we mostly engage our nose only. Correct. So we can actually involve in our workouts various kind of pranayams. First step is that. Correct. And secondly, necessarily during whole of the day. Okay, so whole of the day we have to start remain we have to remain aware that we have to take means breathe through nose only. Correct. So this is the second step what we can take. And the third step is necessarily like when we sleep. Okay, so what is happening, our breathing happens not means accidentally by mouth. Okay, so in order to avoid that, what we should do is like because we are not aware what is happening at night, okay, while sleeping. Okay, so what we should do, we have got this kind of 3M micro port tape. Okay, so this is the width of this tape. And then what we can do, we can tape our mouth, okay, from end to end. And so what will happen then, initially for few days, what you will observe is like you the breathing becomes hard for you. Okay, the first day the breathing will become very hard for you. Okay, you won't be able to take that much breathing which is required through nose. Okay, so this is actually not recommended for everyone, but yes, you can try this. Okay, so some of you who can actually manage this can try this. So when I did this the first day, it was very difficult for me because my breathing became very hard. But next day, what happened? Like I felt my mouth full of saliva early in the morning. Okay, and it was moist, means completely moist. And apart from that, what is happening, your quality of oxygen which is going inside becomes better. Okay, so once it is better, then obviously the if the fat burning, as we mentioned earlier also, it happens only in presence of oxygen, correct? So so what is happening here, like without doing anything also, like your fat burning engine will start getting activated, correct? So this is another thing which is happening with breathing. Yeah, yeah, Preeti, tell me. Okay, let me finish. Okay, so this is how it is very much important. Okay, so this is one exercise which we can do, like while sleeping. And recently what I observed, like I shared the two data in the WhatsApp group. And as I mentioned that I can run 10 kilometers with a nasal breathing only, correct? So as of now, like I can manage with nasal breathing, but next step of the same will be what is, like, yeah, I can tape my mouth, okay, and then I start running, so that necessarily all the oxygen which I am inhaling is through now nose only, correct? Okay, so just to inform you, like I can even run 21 kilometers with nasal breathing only. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay. So coming back to this exercise which we were talking about in the present circumstances, is like, what we can do, like we can go by elevator, we can go on the first floor by through elevator, and then we can uh, climb through staircases, correct? So what will happen, obviously staircase climbing is not a easy workout. Okay, so but what we have to do, actually we have to engage three things into here once again, like we have to do a necessary warm up. Okay, for example, warm up. Okay, warm up, when we talk about the warm up, actually warm up is nothing, warm up is not like, for example, if we are running, then warm up cannot be, doing some kind of push ups. It has to be related to that, that kind of activity which you are taking. Okay, going to take. Okay, so for example, for running, the warm up has to be, slow walking or slow jogging. Okay, so this is what we need to understand. So similarly for a stair climbing also, the warm up, what should be the warm up? Like maybe spot jogging, or maybe slow, climbing up stairs. So this is how the warm up, definition of warm up we can have. Okay, so so what we can do as of now is, like, we can take this forward, this Maffeton method forward, in such a manner, like if some of you may be having your HR monitor available with you. So HR monitor jiske paas hai, to then they can check, like while going upstairs, so what is happening with their HR. Okay, are they able to manage your HR? Are you able to manage your HR or not, correct? So how many of you are having HR monitor? Can you say yes, no here in the text box? In the text box, can you say, can you let me know, like how many of you are having
Let's
HR
assume
one?
50
Yeah. Okay.
50 ले लेते हैं.
Okay. So some of you may not
Assume
be
करते हैं
having.
50-50 ले लेते हैं.
Okay, some of you may not be having the HR monitor. Okay, so for them, what is prescribed is, like what you can do, you can mostly breathe through nose. Okay, during whole complete exercise, complete stair climb. Okay, so this is how the moment you start taking breathe through mouth, you have to stop. Okay, you have to pause, stop, and then again you have to restart. Okay, so this will be a good workout, I think, in this current scenario, to in order to build up your aerobic endurance. Okay, so this is what I wanted to mention. And so similarly, like this is one example I shared with you. Okay, yeah, Sanjana, what I mentioned is like you have to go upstairs. Okay, and some of you who are having that HR monitor, you have to monitor your HR, and you have to check that whether it is within the HR range as per the 180 formula or not. Okay, and if it is not within that range, then you have to stop, pause little bit and continue. Okay, so this is what you need to do if you are having HR monitor. And if you are not having HR monitor, what you can do, that you can actually breathe through nose. Okay, so breathing through nose is applicable for both of you, like those who are having the HR monitor and those who are not having the HR monitor, correct? So didn't okay sir, but what if you are not having, as I mentioned, that you can actually engage more of this nose breathing, nasal breathing, and focus on that. Why I'm saying like that, because see, when I do this 21 kilometers running, okay, why I'm trying to correlate. Okay, I'm trying to correlate because when I do this nasal breathing, I'm able to keep my HR down, and HR within that HR range, which for example, for me the range is 140 by 150. Okay, 140 150. So I'm able to manage when I check the watch. Then I'm able to manage with nasal breathing. So that means what roughly what I can estimate is that if I am able to run without checking my this thing Garmin watch, and if I run with nasal breathing, then I can actually run within that HR aerobic zone, correct? Hello, you're getting this? Yeah, so basically someone asked
Yes, sir.
yeah, someone asked like if HR is 1 2 bits more, does it becomes anaerobic? Yeah, but it is not anaerobic, but what is happening, like you are moving towards that given range. Okay, so which can actually uh, uh, the kind of benefits which you will get by keeping it within the HR range will be actually nullified by this 1 2 bits more. Okay, so hope I answered it. Okay, so necessarily it has to be kept within that HR range only. Okay, Umaid, anything left now? Anything which we need to discuss, which is left? Okay, so we are about to close this session within 10 minutes. Okay, so anyone is having any questions, they can raise here, or maybe we can write down and collate in WhatsApp group.
Yeah, that will be better.
Yeah. So everyone got this task. Everyone got this task. This task of stair climbing. So this task can be taken, and means inhale and exhale. Hitesh, yes, inhale and exhale from nose only, correct? Okay, so this task we have discussed, and in two different uh, ways we can take it up. Okay, and secondly, like similarly, like any kind of aerobic workout which you are doing, okay, so you can do with the same thing, with the same logic, like you can monitor the HR range. Okay, and either you can monitor the HR range, or you can actually engage more of the nasal breathing, correct? So this is how it is. So in the current circumstances, you will be able to understand the importance of this HR monitoring, because usually when you the lockdown will be over, lifted up, then you may not be able to focus that point of time, because you will be quite busy, and HR will remain elevated but this is the correct time to understand to take care of your HR, right?
Praveen Shankar has joined.
Yeah, I know. So
Should I make it the host?
yeah, you can.
Okay, ठीक है.
So meanwhile, you can take down all the questions which are raised here. All the questions which are raised here, you can take it down somewhere. I have. Yeah, he's.
Shankar, you are the host now. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
any queries, please?
Yeah.
Any questions, queries? Any questions, queries?
Praveen, you have recorded the session, no?
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, I've recorded.
Yeah, so you can share the
Yeah.
link.
But it will be a
Yeah,
big
Yes.
file of
something
100
right.
MBs. 100 MBs. How to burn more of fat in this time. So that's what I mentioned. Like you have to work more on longer period of time doing this aerobic workout, Sanjana. So longer period of time you have to do aerobic workout. So any kind of aerobic workout will do. For example, stair climbing is one of the good aerobic workout which I consider as of now. And the second thing is skipping ropes. Okay, which even I don't know, but this can be a good aerobic workout. Okay, so while doing that any kind of workout, you have to necessarily focus that your HR is within that range. Okay, so you will start burning more of this thing. So belly fat you talked about, it is nothing but a kind of fat only. Okay, so overall body fat, if the overall body fat is going down, so obviously the belly fat will also go down, correct? So basically we talked about fat burning. So once the fat burning engine is developed, so you're even without having any carb intake. So okay, so next thing is what we can discuss about when you are doing any kind of workout, you should avoid intake of any kind of carbohydrate in order to sustain during that workout. Rather what you should do, like you should actually lower down the intensity of the workout. Okay, so this way your energy level will remain maintained, at the same time your fat burning engine will also get developed. Okay, so this is the clue. So you should not ideally focus, like in this scenario, like whether what kind of food you should have before the workout, because this is not the time wherein you require any kind of food also, because the fat is available with you, and you can very well burn it with the help of oxygen. Okay, so this is the clue. What would be the minimum time of aerobic to anaerobic? Every day you can work for 1 hour. For example, 1 hour of aerobic workout you are doing, then you can actually uh, split it into three parts. First is 15 minutes of warm up, and then 30 minutes of aerobic workout that is within that HR range, and then again 15 minutes of cool down. So if you are doing this thing, then your body will remain protected, injury free, and in a better fat burning mode. With how much time initially we should start running? 1 hour you can run. Okay, so 1 hour will be divided into three parts, as I mentioned, Tushar. I mean, initial runs should be how much time? Okay, some of you may be here, some of you may be beginners also. Okay, so what you should do, like ideally, like when we think about the half marathon, full marathon, and all that. So ideally, what we are doing, like we are trying to maintain that HR for a longer period of time. Okay, so rather than doing that, we can consider half marathon, full marathon just as a jogging or walking also. Means a small fraction of that can also be termed as a, means jogging or walking, something like that, correct? So while doing that, means while if you are trying to run for say 5 kilometers, then also you can divide it into 2-3 parts. For example, you have to divide it into three parts. So 1 kilometer is your warm up, and 2 kilometers 2 kilometers is your sorry, come again. Sorry, 1 kilometer is your warm up, 3 kilometers is your running, and then 1 kilometer is your cool down. So 1 kilometer of warm up may include, like, the walking and then jogging. So, and then your 3 kilometers of actual run, and then similarly, this cool down will also include walking and stopping, correct? So this is the process which we have to do. Actually, what we have to do, we have to create a plateau all the time. Whenever we are doing any kind of activity, we have to remain at plateau. And once the plateau is settled in your system, then the plateau may actually, you can actually elevate that plateau. Okay, so it is not like going uphill, it is like going on a plateau, in order to make your fat burning engine activated. Okay, so every time you have to elevate the plateau only, correct? So how to elevate the plateau later on, like when you complete the 3 months of this aerobic conditioning, then you can sprinkle some of speed runs in between. Okay, interval trainings in terms of going uphill and running in a full speed downhill. Okay, so this is interval training. This is interval training also, we can call. Okay, and this is basically the speed workout which is prescribed as per the Maffetone method. So when you do that, then what you will observe, like your speed has gone up and your HR has gone down. So that is the most you know uh, beneficial part of running. Okay, so ideally your speed has to go up and your HR has to go down. Okay, so what is happening, you are reaching to another plateau. Okay, so similarly you will again reach to another plateau. So this is what we have to continue doing it. Okay, I used to do stair climbing, but I don't know how true it is. But my mom says we should not climb stairs for half an hour as it will injure. Yeah. So what I mentioned here, it will injure only when you are going into anaerobic zone. Okay. So as I told you, if you are reaching in anaerobic zone, so what you need to necessarily do is that you have to stop. Okay, you have to stop and then you have to start once again. It is not like you are climbing any Everest mountain, correct? So you cannot continue climbing uphill the stairs continuously. So you have to check whether your heart is allowing that this thing or not. Okay, stair climbing, your heart is allowing or not, or whether your breathing is allowing you or not. So accordingly you have to progress is little by little. It is not like all of a sudden you will go uphill and you know uh, uh, get injured. Sanjana, you got it? So as I mentioned, this stair climbing also should be like making a plateau. This should be in 3 parts. So first is raising the HR up to a optimum level, and then you have to start climbing. And then again similarly, while when you end up that workout, then also you have to stop it gradually. It should not be anything, should not be like you are going uphill on a mountain and going downhill. So if you are doing such kind of activity, like means with your HR particularly, I'm not talking about running, I'm talking about the HR. If you are doing such kind of activity, then there may be chances of injury. So in general also we can think in these terms, like when we are doing any kind of mountain running on the hills and all that. So there are chances of injury is much more higher because of this thing, the impact on the knees, correct, while coming down. Okay, so how to avoid that impact? By considering that activity also as a plateau kind of activity. It is not like running uphill. So while going upwards, like while going in on the incline, you have to necessarily keep a focus on your HR, that it should not raise beyond a limit. And then same HR, the heart is going to support you on the downhill, correct? So this way the mountain running, even the mountain running, for example, for say like Satara Hill Marathon, which is uphill, direct uphill and then direct downhill. So you can consider it as a plateau running also. Okay, so wherein you are maintaining that HR till when you reach the top of the hill, and then you are coming down. but then also you are actually trying to save yourself from raging your HR, like by maintaining your form, correct form, breathing, etc. Okay. Yeah, should we avoid coming down on the stairs? Yes, definitely we should avoid coming down on the stairs. So what I mentioned here, like you have to use an elevator, Manu, you have to use an elevator while going down. Okay, so only upstairs is will help you, not going downstairs. If we follow this, what pace improvement is expected in an year? So pace improvement, as we have shared in the graph, shared in that this thing, WhatsApp. You may think about that also. Means your HR will go down and your pace will go up as per that graph which is shared in the WhatsApp. You got this 6477 number ending with 6477. Please also share the fluid intake after running to restore the muscles and stretching workout to avoid the fatigue. Okay, fluid intake. See, what we are actually losing is salt, some kind of salt. So if you are doing just a 5 kilometer workout, so you are not losing. For example, I'm talking just for you only. Like you are not losing much of the salt. Okay, so basically you require only water. Okay, for example, I'm just sharing my example. If I am running 30 kilometers, so I run I have 2 liters of water before the run. Okay, and I finish the run, and then I keep on sipping the water, because see, even the water what you are taking is you cannot actually digest in one go. Okay, so you have to keep sipping the water during whole of the day. Okay, so that your water level is maintained, okay, in your body. So all of a sudden you cannot have enough water and you think that it will get consumed, because even enough of the water can create an stress on the body, correct? So it will again be so no electrolytes as such is required, because even means if you are having natural food, any kind of natural food, so all the salt and all the electrolyte components are there. So I think that can be quite easily manageable for a 5K if you are talking about. Okay, so yeah, this is how it is. Anyone know? Any more queries? Tushar, could you please again share the graph on the WhatsApp group? Okay. So I cannot, okay, I will share in the WhatsApp group once again. I cannot attach a file here. Otherwise I would have done here only. Uh, why to ignore me? I could not get Sanjana, what you are saying. I have shared. Okay. So Umed has shared the graph. So can we close the session now? Any more queries here? Yeah, Henrietta, you are asking about the gel. What I mentioned earlier also, if you are having gel, so what will happen? Your body will get dependent on the gel. Okay, so you will maintain your fat reserves as it is. So initially, in order to avoid that gel, what you have to do, you have to necessarily do that 3 to 6 months of base building, of aerobic base building, and switch to your fat burning engine. Okay, switch on your fat burning engine and you will forget the gel. Join laid on group. I'm running from 7-8 months only. While running up to 21, is it necessary to take drinks? Till now I'm not taking anything. Good, wonderful. Hitesh, it's nice to hear that you're not having anything, but yes, it should not be stressful. Like you have to necessarily build up on the aerobic endurance, and you should not feel that after the run you should be as good as before the run. So the point is that. But after reaching home मीठा खाने की इच्छा होती है. हाँ, तो that will yeah, some so if मीठा खाने की इच्छा होती है, what you mentioned, we are about to close within 2 minutes. Okay, so मीठा खाने की इच्छा होती है, तो then you can have all the natural ingredients which are available in the fruits. Okay, so the which kind of fruit is working for you, that can be decided by CI test, and on the basis of that you can have that मीठा sweets. Sweet does not mean by artificial sweeteners. Okay, so this basically means whatever comes through nature, that is the sweet thing. Correct. And what to drink for meetha? For drinking for meetha is nothing but, you know, whatever comes through nature which is sweet, which is a bit sweeter. Okay, so for example, you can have banana is the best one usually. But yes, then what happens, like if you are switching on the meetha, so obviously the fat you are preserving, your body fat won't burn. Correct. So any queries, post in WhatsApp. Thank you. Okay, then thanks a lot. Okay, thanks a lot. Sanjay, you don't ignore it. Anyway, thank you, sir, for the love. So okay, so thanks a lot everyone for being here and listening to me, and thanks
Thank
for
you,
this
Praveen.
opportunity. Okay, thanks. So now switching it off.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Praveen.
Thank you, welcome, and thank you. Bye, take care everyone.
Thank you, Praveen sir. Thank you, Praveen sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.